Designator Channel Lane, North Massachusetts. 31 degrees at 7 a.m. Good morning, everybody. 7 a.m. in the morning news of the stories of Monday, March 9th, 2026. Good morning, y'all. This lovely Monday morning, March 9th, 2026. It's 7 a.m. and the Dalton temperature standing at 31 degrees, 1 below Celsius. Your order lines, top story at 7 a.m. is Majama Comedy Center. Red Slade Supreme Leader is a mysterious figure. U.S. Energy Chief says spike in gas price will fall before too long amid Iran war. Video appears to show U.S. cruise missiles striking Iranian school compound. White House sent WTF message to Israel after Iran oil field strike, according to the U.S. report. Blues Challenge winner B still has to bring higher energy by today to Cambridge. Congressional Democrats demand reversal of Russian oil sales into India's energy prices soar. Units vowed Ukraine hurries to enact as U.S. forces move to Iran. South Korea fell with 17-year low against the U.S. dollar Monday amid heightened market volatility as oil prices fall in the expanded conflict in the Middle East. U.S. South Korea launched Freedom Shield drills amid widening Iran conflict. Lee says to swiftly reduce food price cap as Middle East crisis intensifies. Delicious in Berkeley, Delicious pizza wizard Bill Russell dies. Restaurant closes. Chipotle competitor eyes Brockton location. Copy in Maine, Massachusetts looks to make the lobster the official crustacean. Look at it, stocks now down 453.19 at 47,501.55. S&P 509.96 at 6741.02. And NASDAQ down 361.31 at 23,237.68. Take a look at sports at 7:03 last night. The Celtics beat the Cleveland Cavaliers 109-98. The Lakers beat the New York Knicks 110-97. Miami Heat won the Detroit Pistons 110. Toronto Raptors 122. Dallas Mavericks 92. And Seattle Pelicans 138. Washington Wizards 118. The Orlando Magic 130. Milwaukee Bucks 91. San Antonio Spurs 145. Houston Rockets 120. Portland Trail Blazers 131. Indiana Pacers 111. Sacramento Kings 126. Chicago Bulls 110. It's the Phoenix Suns 111. Charlotte is 99. Men's golf basketball, Illinois 78, Maryland 72, Michigan 90, Michigan State 80, and Nebraska 84, Iowa 75 in overtime. Women's college basketball, Duke 70, Louisville 65 in overtime, UCLA 96, Iowa 45, UConn 100, Great 51, Fairfield 65, Burbank 48. Texas 78, South Carolina 61, and West Virginia 62, Texas TU 53. NHL action, Boston Bruins fall to the Pittsburgh Penguins 5-4 in overtime, Colorado Avalanche 3, Minnesota Wild 2 in the shutout. Buffalo Sabres 8, Tampa Bay Lightning 7 minutes. Dallas Stars 4, Seattle Blackhawks 3. In overtime, it's Detroit Red Wings 3, New Jersey Devils 7, St. Louis Blues 4, and Ducks 7, and Toronto 4, Vegas Golden Knights 2. Raiders traded for Bills quarterback Johnson, sources said. Texas Bulls, South Carolina for the first women's SEC 30 title. Face fullback and goal Chargers rematch with McDaniel. Beer Children's Time, 7:05, time now for Traffic Watch on this Monday morning. Baby! BTA Blue Line delays about 50 minutes to the single pump in order that riders can use the SL3 between the airport and substation for alternate service. Forward line during 1905, 645 p.m. from substations not yet running. Substations operating 10, 20 minutes beyond the due to a mechanical issue. Richmond line train 406 a.m. from Watches up pardon. Watches is operating 50 25 minutes beyond due to the mechanical issue. Framingham line train 15 11, 6:50 a.m. from substations operating 50 minutes beyond between West Newton and Framingham. Stoughton line train 908, 6:18 a.m. from Stoughton's pardon. Stoughton's operating 10 20 minutes beyond due to the single issue. Havel line train 212, 6:12 a.m. from Havel's operating 50 minutes beyond between Bedford and North Station and Naval line train 12:15, 6:40 a.m. from North Station's operating 50 minutes beyond between North Station and Reddit. $95 from North Manside. It's back between 152 and North Federal Water down to Mansfield. And 95 from North Manside. It's back from Route 1 in the Foxborough area. 24 North Manside is back between David on the Randolph. Route 3 on the North Manside is back between Weymouth down to Braintree. 128 Buffett's back between Red on the Braintree Split. 128 on the North Manside is back between 138 Kendall and down to Dedham. 7 Expressway is back between Braintree Split all the way down to Boston. Pike eastbound back between Fairbairn down to Native Quarter. 93 southbound back between Malden down to Boston. Route 1, southbound back to River to Charlestown, Seven Telescope. Countdown's looking good. Pike east westbound between Logan Newport down to South Boston. Route 3 is back to between Stamford between Chelsea down to Burlington. 93 southbound Open's open for Route 130 to Woburn. 130 southbound back between Renton down to Woburn. 2 eastbound also on 146 in the Worcester area. 84 eastbound sides back between West Harvard and Harvard Connecticut. Burr Parkway a little bit slow between Bridgeport down to 7 and 85 7 between Bridgeport down to Suffolk and showing the gears of weather at 7:08. No significant change to the forecast. High confidence and near record high temperatures on Tuesday. Areas of fog quickly displayed by mid-morning. Otherwise, sunshine for Thursday. Tuesday with well above bubble temperatures. High belly at 16 today. The record highs Tuesday. They upper 60s to low 70s away from the parts of the East Coast. Trending more settled mid to late week with a weather to precipitation back to cool temperature by Friday. Expect significant snowmelt over the coming week as minor improvement for the possible. Areas of fog quickly displayed by mid-morning. Otherwise, sunshine return today. Tuesday with all well below normal temperatures. High belly at 60 today. The record highs Tuesday. Then up 60s to low 70s away from the parts of the immediate coast areas of fog covered by the region this morning, especially near the south coast where everyone's locally that the fog will quickly burn off after sunrise and give it a lot of dry air just above the boundary layer. And like the weekend, model centers indicate lots of sunshine today. Tuesday is a lot for Douglas. Warm with 925 millibar lanes to begin to mix down to the surface. 925 T around 10 Celsius above today should allow many locations east. Highs well in the 60s, mainly clear skies. Light winds will be still here. Never good night of ratio cold tonight. Low temperatures tonight should bottom out in the upper 20s and 30s, but low 40s and the overheat out of that Boston as well as Worcester, given warm air aloft by Tuesday. 925 T near 14 Celsius above should allow for record highs in the upper 60s and low 70s. We feel that given the overall setup, the NBM is significantly too cool with a higher temperature today. And Tuesday, of course, it'll be mostly cool and the immediate South Coast coast is keeping out to give it a modified. Meridian Rouse giving southwest winds. We need to watch for a subtle sea breeze potential Tuesday parts of the immediate eastern Massachusetts coast, but that remains uncertain at all. Well, about normal temperatures. Spring out the way for the temp for the next 2 days with a near recognized possible on Tuesday. China morning settled with mid late week with a rather 2 perspective back to cool temperatures on Friday. After trying sunny few days. Wednesday will be a transition day between early week winds and shortwave throw with that across the region on Thursday ahead of central. Warm southwest flow continues keeping temperatures elevated, however. Increase in moisture moves northern and well south. The clouds return keeping up checking temperatures only reaching up at 50 to low 60s at 7 days at the extreme northeast Massachusetts and the backdoor cold front may reduce temperatures further a week leading great move in the final on Wednesday increase in the chance of scatter rain showers made over the interior. It is until Thursday that the rain true and the robust cold front move through favorable place with the behind the are you good at 150 knots, 3 in the middle box, jet to come out, and a 6-man not low general working at a moist environment parts to 125 to produce widespread precipitation Thursday into the Thursday. It's likely to start a rain for all before it transitions to snow to the back of the highest rain. Friday, the post-frontal mass overhead means cold temperatures in the 40s and have a disturbance path to our north. May bring some scattered rain high elevation snow showers around Friday night, but coming into low and head specifics and the pattern of the balls at around Thursday. And expect a significant snow melt over the coming week by the wind for fun possible. Given the prolonged period of elevated temperature, 2 points coming out with a significant melt will be seen the last few days. Snow melt will increasingly contribute to the back of the water and shed leading to the west as potentially but to the minor fun stage. Guidance continues to get into the most likely spot to the fleecy flood along the Connecticut River by next weekend in addition to the south as Rhode Island rivers by early next week. Forecast goes like this. Petrified for 90 more on South Sky, but 66 degrees, calming given southwest wind 5 to 6 miles in the morning. Afternoon winds gets high, 21 miles after night. Petrified after 1 a.m. was mostly good sky at 34 degrees, south about 3 to 6 miles after Tuesday. Petrified before 10 a.m. was South Sky, but 70 to low 39 degrees, calming given southwest wind 6 miles in the afternoon. Wednesday, just rain after 1 p.m. Mostly got sky, 57 low 49 degrees, south about 3 to 8 miles anticipations. 35% for Thursday, May between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. Mostly got about 57 low, 26 degrees west of the wind, 11 to 13 miles gets high, 25 miles anticipations, 6% and for Friday. But it's at about 43 low, 32 degrees, south about 5 to 10 miles gets high, 20 miles for Saturday. Just made a snow, mostly got about 47 low, 37 degrees, west wind about 9 to 13 miles gets high, 25 miles anticipations, 30%. And Sunday, mostly got 48 degrees, light wind, given south at 5 to 9 miles in the morning, west gets high, 20 miles right now. It is 27 degrees in first guys, and that's going to be it for the Peter Joel Morning News on this March 9th, 2026 on a Monday morning. Peter J. Williams, say have a good morning, goodbye, day, dude. Stay safe, be positive, BLCB will have a good day, and good morning.